Have you ever felt na parang work na ang bumubuhay sa'yo? Na kahit ang daming ginagawa, parang kulang pa rin. You're not alone. Finding a balance between work and life is one of the hardest things for OFWs and busy people today. But it's not impossible. Let's talk about how to make it work. First, bakit mahalaga ang balance? Well, work-life balance isn't just about dividing time between work and personal life. It's about creating harmony between the two. When you have balance, you're more productive at work. You're more present with your family. You're more at peace with yourself. It's about setting priorities and boundaries that actually work for you. Second, alamin ang priorities mo. So, paano magsimula? First, ask yourself, ano ang pinakamahalaga sa iyo right now? Is it family, health, career, or faith? Once you know your priorities, mas madali gumawa ng decisions na align sa kanila. It's not about sacrificing one thing for another. It's about finding a balance that fits your life right now. Third, mag-set ng boundaries. Boundaries are key para hindi ka maubos. Learn to say no sa mga bagay na nagde-drain sa'yo. Learn to say yes sa mga bagay na nagre-recharge sa'yo. It could mean setting limits sa work hours, taking real breaks, kahit 15 minutes lang, prioritizing rest and self-care. Boundaries keep you focused and prevent burnout. Fourth, self-care and time management. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Take care of your body, mind, heart, and spirit. And time management isn't about doing more. It's about making time for what really matters. Maybe you can use simple tools. Calendar for schedule, to-do list for tasks, time blocking para may space for rest, and even 20 minutes for yourself makes a difference. So, finding balance is a journey, not a destination. It happens through small, consistent changes. So, by setting priorities, setting boundaries, and taking care of your body, mind, heart, and spirit, you can build a life that feels more balanced, more fulfilling, and more aligned with God's plan for you. Padayon.